Be easy if you pay attention. Can be. Okay, so here we go. Today is Diciembre 1, miércoles 2021. ¿Sí? Yes. Objective. We're going to be adding rational expressions. Oh, I suppose we'll be subtracting some too. We'll be subtracting some as well. The word rational means fraction. Okay? Now I'll let you catch up and write all this. Okay? All right? We're going to be adding rational expressions. Okay? When you see the word rational, it just means fraction, that's all, okay?
Fractions.
Fractions. When you see fractions, it just means fractions, right? Now, of course, our fractions aren't going to be fractions like we learned in 6th grade, right? But it's still the same concept. Common denominator, add, when you get done adding, if you can reduce, reduce, okay? Now, before I do a whole lot, I'm going to put something up that, of course, everybody knows. I think this should be really obvious. If I had, 1/4 plus 5/4, it is not 6/8. Everybody agree? It is not. It is not. Everybody agree with that? Yeah. No, right? So in number 1, what's my common denominator? So we're just going to write down x plus 1. So you see 2 of them. My common denominator is, right? Is x plus 1. Okay? Yeah, you're way ahead of me. It's that easy. So Luke, it's that easy. My common denominator is x plus 1. I'm going to add my numerator, and I'm going to have a 2x plus 4, okay? You could maybe factor, but I don't think it's going to help, but I'll show you real quick. If I do factor, I might take a 2 out, have an x plus 2 over an x plus 1. But that doesn't really help because I can't cancel, right? So either answer is fine. Probably the first one looks like the nicest to you. Agree with that? This answer is the same answer. Sometimes it's worthwhile to factor because then you can cancel like we did yesterday, okay? Thumbs up? Okay, good. Example 2, okay? What's my common denominator? X plus 4, everybody agree? So if we add 6x plus 24, right?
I got this, my guy.
Now, can I do more? So what am I going to do? What can I do?
Can you make it 6 and in parentheses x plus 24?
X plus 4.
What?
Yep.
Oh, yeah, 6 times 4 is 24.
bro.
Right, Luke? 6 times x, 6 times 4. Right? You with me? Okay. Now, why is that why was that a good move? Why was that a good move? What do you see?
When you simplify.
Yeah. So this cancels with this, and what's my answer? Just plain old 6. So sometimes being able to factor can help you, right? Okay. So far, so good. Today should be an easy day, okay? Example 3. What's your common denominator?
It's 3x.
Yes. So I'll have a 4 minus a 2x. It won't factor. It won't simplify. So that's just my answer. That's it.
I hope I see one of those on the
That's not bad, huh, Jacob?
Yeah, I hope I see that exact.
There. Okay. Well, make sure I put one. I'll make sure I put one like that on there. Okay. Okay. Turn the page.
It's like a whole page of it.
All right. So today's not going to be bad, is it? What's my common denominator?
X minus 4.
Yes. And in my numerator, I'll have a x squared minus 2x minus 8. Right. Now, if I factor, will that help me? If I factor, will that help me?
Yes.
Sure. In fact, Emily, what does this factor into? What does this factor into?
4 and
4 and? Okay, keep going. 4 and 2. Keep going. 4 and 2 is right. negative 4, positive 2. Good job, Jacob. And now, did that help?
Bro, I think,
Did that help?
yes.
Yeah, what can I do now?
You can cross them out.
And my answer is what's left over, which is just an x plus 2. Give me a thumbs up if that made sense to you. Okay, all right, all right. Okay, now let's do an algebra 2 problem. Okay, common denominator, yes. So now I'm going to have
X to the third power.
minus 8. Now, the reason this is an algebra 2 problem is because this x cubed minus 8 will factor into our perfect cubes. And I'm going to show you, okay? This will factor, x cubed minus 8 will factor into a perfect cube. So I can rewrite this as really a x cubed minus 2 cubed over an x minus 2. It's easy if I write it that way. Okay. X cubed, right? 8 is 2 cubed. So my formula, I know that that's my A and that's my B, right? So my formula from the board, right? We've got our A and our B, so we're going to go our x minus 2 x squared plus 2x plus 2 squared. So I'm doing this. There's my A cubed and my B cubed. So I put my A in for my x's, in for my a's, and I put my 2's in for my b's. So I'm going to do that right now. You guys see what I'm doing? Okay, now this is an algebra 2 problem, so we're going to rewrite this as a, we're going to go an x minus 2 x squared plus 2x plus 4 over x minus 2. Now, did that help me? Did that help?
Yes.
Okay, what can I do?
You can cross out the x minus 2.
And there's my answer.
No way, that's bad.
And you're so smart.
Okay, now, that's it. And I have a worksheet that won't take